Itadakimasu. That's good.
Okay, which one you like the best?
My favorite was still kuromame, I think. Usually bean has kind of chalky texture. Like what I know about black beans, it kind of has a chalky texture when you just boil it, right? But for kuromame, it's really like crisp, and I like the texture. And it has some sweetness to it, so it's a little bit addictive. It's like bean candy.